actually trained the beginner move a little bit in advanced class too. So for beginner class and advanced, we started pizza hand, lead turn, lady turn, cross body lead, regular, cross body lead, inside turn. Pizza hand, men turn off the line, LA, walk. So we did that in both classes today. For the beginner class, the combo was a hammer lock. 1, 2, lift the left, 3, hold on to both hands. Ladies, hammer lock yourself. 6, 7, bend that left arm behind the back. We got cross body, or reverse cross body, 2, 3. Start turning the lady 3. Second turn on 5, 6, 7, and you're walking with the lady to the other side. You're gonna pull both hands about 90 degrees, so you open for a flare. 2, 3. Left hand gives 2 turns, an outside turn. 5, 6, 7, basic, and you're done. All right, so next, advanced class. For this, we did both hands up. 1, 2, lift 3. Ladies, right hand turn. 5, 6, 7. Open break. Copa. Both hands over. Okay. Stopping 3. Inside turn. Both hands over, but left hand stops at the shoulder. So 5, 6, 7. You're going to be throwing the hand up top. 8. Ladies, we have to make decisions here. So you're just going to like, where could this hand possibly go? Going to go behind the back. Gentlemen, you're going to reconnect at the back. We both step forward. 1, 2, turn 3. 2 turns. 5, 6, 7. Basic, and you're done. But that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something today, and we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye everyone.